Ever sit down to plan something and just stare at a blank Google Doc? Brain going 6 directions, doc just goes down. I've tried Notion, notebooks, and whiteboards. Nothing clicked. Then I found this app, and I genuinely don't get why nobody's talking about it. It's called Edrawmind. And before you say Mindmap app cool, whatever, stay with me. This thing is different. Let's dive in. So let me just open it. Edrawmind. Cross-platform. Buy Wondershare, AI-powered, and honestly way more than a mind map tool. The link in the description. Just install it and open it. Super clean. Just jump straight into a new mind map. Type my central idea here, Q3 content strategy, and now I just hit tab to add a branch. Tab again for a sub-branch. Enter for a new idea at the same level. It's fast, it's keyboard friendly, and watch how quickly this starts to look like an actual plan. In about 60 seconds, it starts to feel less like software, and more like thinking out loud on a canvas. Now watch what happens when I change the layout. Same map, same content. I just hit the layout menu here and tree structure. Great for project hierarchies. Fishbone. Perfect for root cause analysis, problem solving. Timeline view. Now it looks like a project roadmap. That's over 15 layout styles, and you switch between them instantly. Different problems need different visuals. This is what separates Edrawmind from basic mind mapping software. Now you don't need a different app for each one. Edrawmind has a dedicated brainstorming mode. On Traverse, select the brainstorming and I just dump everything out. No judgment, no structure yet. Just every idea I have about this launch campaign. Fast. Messy. That's fine. Now my brain is empty. And now I start grouping. These are all content ideas. These are marketing. And just like that, what was a chaotic mess is now a clear, organized campaign plan. I used this exact process for a client last week. 15 minutes from zero to a full structured plan. That used to take me an hour. Edrawmind has a built-in AI Mindmap Generator. Click Edrawmind AI. And honestly, it's one of the best AI mind mapping tools I've come across. Just type a topic. Launch a freelance consulting business. You can select a model from DeepSeek V4, Gemini Flash 3.1, GPT-5. Hit generate and the AI builds out a full structured map for you. Automatically. Watch this. In seconds. Full map. Main categories. Subtopics. Already structured. Now I'm not saying you take this and you're done, but as a starting point, when you're staring at a blank canvas and don't know where to begin, this is the AI Mindmap Generator that changes how you start every project. And I can go deeper on any single idea, hit AI Expand here, and it builds out that branch automatically. This is what makes Edrawmind feel less like a tool and more like a thinking partner. And if you prefer a clean list view, just hit Outline. Same map, now in a structured document format. Or switch to Kanban, now your ideas are organized as cards. Perfect for tracking tasks and progress. But what if someone asks you to present it? Do you screenshot it? I hit Slides mode right here. Hit Convert to Slides. You can select templates. I am going with a business proposal template. And select one and generate PPT. And in just a few seconds, each branch becomes its own focused slide. Clean. Professional. Zero extra work. No rebuilding. From thinking tool to presentation ready in one click. For anyone who regularly presents their work, this alone is worth it. Templates, hundreds of them. Browse by category. Basic layout, project management, meetings and planning, education, and more. Whether it's a project plan, a study guide, or a business analysis, there's a template for it. Just pick one, click duplicate, and it's ready to customize. And it syncs across all your devices automatically. Edrawmind gives you the full workflow. And after using it for 2 weeks, it's genuinely changed how I start every project. If you're looking for productivity tools in 2026 that actually match how your brain works, this deserves a spot. Free version is available at the top of the description. If this video helped you at all, drop a like and subscribe. to get more updates. I'll see you in the next one.